like you need a vacation.
Hey guys, so school right around the corner. I thought that I would show you my night routine before the first day of school. So let's just get started. I'm starting off by hanging around the house, checking my phone, basically doing whatever. And then I realized that it was the very last day of summer and I should probably make the most out of it and do something that is summery. So I decided to go outside and tan. I changed into my swimsuit and then went outside and laid on the floaty for about an hour.
When I let my guard down, it's like you ain't even around.
And then I'll head inside and take a shower. Here's all the products I use in the shower. So I'll first wash my hair with the Cure shampoo, and then I'll use some conditioner. And afterwards, I'll use the Seaweed Bath Co. body wash to get off any chlorine. Then I decided I should probably do a workout since I hadn't done one already that day. So I just changed into some workout clothes. The ones I'm wearing here I got from Fabletics. They are so comfy and really cute. Go check them out. I'll have them linked down below. But yeah, I was basically just deciding what outfit I should wear. So I ended up wearing some dark gray high-waisted yoga pants and then a pink sports bra and a white muscle tank.
Witnessed all those holding back too many times.
But yeah, I grabbed my yoga mat and started my workout. So I was just doing all different exercises for my arms, abs, legs.
Cause when I let my guard down, it's like you ain't even around. I just take a cool sip and lose myself into the sound. Cause when I let my guard down, it's like they ain't even around. Just let me take a cool sip so I can finally let my guard down.
Then it was time for dinner. I sat outside to eat this and it was really nice. I love once it gets a little later in the day because then it's not quite as hot. Of course, I brushed my teeth after and then I decided to pick out my outfit for the next day just so I wouldn't have to worry about it in the morning. So I headed over to my closet, picked out a few different shirts and bottoms. I was able to put together a cute outfit and then I hung it up on my clothing rack just so nothing would be wrinkled in the morning.
like you ain't even around. I just take a cool sip, lose myself into the sound. Cause when I let my guard
At this point, I didn't really have anything else I needed to do, so I decided to watch Netflix, catch up on the last season, or actually finish the last season of the show I was watching. I just finished Full House, and I had already watched Fuller House, and they're both so good, so I would definitely recommend watching them if you haven't already. By this point, it was getting kind of late, and I wanted to go to sleep, so I would get enough sleep that night and be able to wake up early the next morning. So I just went into the bathroom and finished getting ready for bed. I took off my makeup, removed my contacts, and washed my face. I also exfoliated just to make sure my skin would be clear for the next day. And then I went back into my room to change into my pajamas. I also put on my glasses. And then I will grab a book and read for a few minutes. I was rereading the book Live Original by Sadie Robertson, which is such a good book. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing everything I do. Let me know what your guys' routines are for the first day of school down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! That was the night routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, if you want to go check out Fabletics, I'll have them linked down below. I love their workout clothes. I'm wearing one of the tank tops right now. If you sign up as a VIP, you can get some amazing deals, so you definitely want to go do that. By the way, be sure to go follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you haven't already. I love talking to you guys, and it's a great way to keep up with everything while I'm not posting. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!